Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 2203 while installing, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's what you have to do. First of all, you need to search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and then go to disk cleanup. Click on OK for C drive and then check all of these boxes here. Okay, each and every one of them. Click on OK and then select delete files. Now, this thing apart, here's what you have to do next. Okay, Uh, press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type temp temp and hit enter. Click on any file. Press Ctrl plus A to select all files. Select delete and then click on skip. So the files which are currently in use won't be deleted. Rest all the files will be deleted. This is the main solution. Then you can restart your computer and the problem will be fixed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.